My name is Carlos Martinez Luna. I'm part of the research team at LTI. We develop prosthetic and orthotic technologies. Poindexter is an add-on for multi-articulating hands that allows the user to access a dexterous grip. We're trying to solve people having to make these trade-offs between form and function, because either you have to choose just one device and have dexterity and function over form and aesthetics, and we wanted people to have sort of both in one device. Either people have to have multiple devices and switch in and out, or they just have to choose one over the other. And with this, they can have it almost all. Jody was really great to work with. She was like the ideal subject for this. She's always just super curious to try things, and she has some experience with all sorts of devices. So she saw this and she's like, "Oh, give it to me for a couple of days. I'll find, how I can incorporate it into my everyday life."
My name is Jody O'Connell-Poncos. I'm from Ghent, New York. I have been wearing a prosthesis for about almost 4 years now, after not wearing any prostheses for 25 plus years. My experience with the Poindexter, I thought it was like really cool when I was asked to use it, because it inquired me of I wondered how much it could really do. Those really fine, detailed places that your regular prosthesis, they just can't get into, like me taking out my vitamins, or taking out an aspirin, or taking a piece of gum, or opening a candy. All those little things that a standard prosthesis really doesn't do because it can't grasp it just right. Whereas this is just like really easy, open and close, and I don't know, I've had a lot of fun in just trying all the different things that it can do.
The Poindexter is able to operate in both finger mode and Poindexter mode. So with the flip of a switch, users can change the active trigger grip in the hand to either open and close the finger or open and close the Poindexter. I love seeing the technology in use, just seeing people taking what we designed and taking it further than we could ever imagine.